I don't know that it's equal divided, but there is a divided understanding that a custom kitchen or a custom layout can increase the value of the home and can also hurt the value of the home. Well, it depends who did it. Because one thing that, again, everybody knows about me is that I always have an element that keeps me grounded. So what does that mean? It means that the designs that I produce are always elegant and classic and will withstand the time. So meaning that I don't lay tile or any material that is popular today because it's popular today. Back to this thing about I make the trends, I don't follow the trends. Because no matter how much money you want to spend in the project, ultimately you are doing this for a value that will be brought back to your home, and you don't want to have to redo it. Or if you're moving, you want to do it and have the next buyer saying, yes, they did a new kitchen remodel, it looks great, we don't have to do it, so they're paying the money that you're asking for. So what I'm saying is that my designs are timeless, and they are true the generation proof, and they are what people usually want. Why? Because back to this thing about I spend the time to show and talk you through all options. Remodels that are done about changing cabinetry, countertop, backsplash, lights in the existing layout, they're the ones that will hurt you potentially later, because the next person that buys the home and comes in, they will have someone like me whisper in their ear, the layout ain't right. So the fact that you spend $100,000 on the same layout that you had before, if it's not correct, does not mean nothing. So I still think that even though you spend that money, that was for your own likes. So my new client, right, the one that is buying the home, will have to remodel because they want to have the options of seeing what the new technology, what the new potentials are, what the home can feel if the layout is changed. What I'm telling you is that have me look at it, have me tell you if it's worth putting everything back at the same place. Because if you think it is, don't spend much. Most likely it's not. Today people expect new floor plans, and that means that we don't have to build the home from the beginning, right? From foundation up. There is many homes out there that are so charming and so beautiful, even the older one. What we need to do is marry the old feel and the old elegance with today's expectations of how an island should work, how big it should be, what is the space that have to serve a family of 6 or a family of 8, and incorporate them together. When doing so, that is how the value of the remodel, of the money that you spend for that remodel, will stand and will improve the value of the home.